It's the last day of 2024. If you have travel in mind for 2025, and then these are some good options that you could try out on your next trip. So both of these bags are from the brand Bostanten, and they have handbags, travel bags, everyday bags, diaper bags. I mean, you could use this one as a diaper bag as well. They have so many great options, and I've shown you several reviews. They're really affordable and great quality. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over all the features of this backpack and then also all the features of this tote bag. I think these are two great options for when you're traveling, and then I'll just show you how they look on so you can kind of get a size comparison, and then I will put the dimensions of both of these bags in the description box along with links. And as of right now, there's great discounts on these, so make sure to go into the description box and click on the link, because I have some specific coupon codes and percentages off for you guys if you go through those links. So I am so excited to share both of these with you, but I do want to thank Bostanten for sending me both of these items to review for you guys. So let's go ahead and just start off with the puffer totes. This is such a good tote. It's that puffer style, so very trendy right now. And it's made out of a waterproof nylon, so you're not gonna have to worry about it getting wet or anything inside getting damaged because rain soaks through it if you're out in the rain. This does retail for $36.99. And like I had stated before, there is a really good discount in the link. If you just click on the link, it'll take you to that discount, and there's a coupon code and a discount that you can click to get even more savings. This does come in 3 different colors: this beautiful pink color, a beige color, and also a black color as well. But it does fit under the seat in front of you. It can fit in the overhead bin if you want, but this can be your personal carry-on item, an everyday bag if you want to just use it as an everyday tote. It fits a lot. And then you could use this as a work tote because you can fit a 15.6-inch laptop, nothing bigger than that in here, but it's got a great padded area that I'm going to show you in just a moment. It is very lightweight to begin with, so it does just weigh 1.17 pounds before you pack anything in it, so it's really nice and lightweight. Just a great wipeable material. It's made out of that waterproof nylon. And it also comes with another bag. So this is a 2-piece set. You're getting both of these bags for that price. And this is one of your clear toiletry bags. So this is TSA approved. So your 311 toiletries, this will work because you can see through it. And it's got a really nice zipper, so you don't have to worry about just putting it in a Ziploc bag. And the inside of this is also made out of that waterproof material, so if you do have your liquids in there, you're not going to have to worry about if they do spill getting anywhere, because you do have that nice wipeable area that's waterproof as well, so nothing's going to leak out. And then you have these bungees on the side, so you can put anything, and it's got a little bit of padding, so you can put your water bottles or anything you travel with. And then you have these little bungees that can cinch it up and keep it really nice and secure, and you have one of those on both sides. This has a really unique U-shaped size, and I'll show you in just a moment how it actually fits on, so you can kind of see the size reference. And then it's got a little silver Bostanten, the little B for their logo in metal. And then on the back of this is what I really like. It has this Velcro close on the top, so you can have this as a pocket if you zip it at the bottom. But then if you unzip the zipper, then it becomes a trolley sleeve. So this can fit right down over top of your suitcase. And then on the front of this, it has this really neat quilting, that puffer style detail. You have a zipper compartment in the very front where you can fit passports, your phone, something very easily to get to. And then you have another zipper behind that. It's almost like a hidden zipper, so you can put some things in here as well. And all this is kind of slightly padded, so it makes it really nice. You do have this zipper top, which I love when I'm traveling and I'm fitting something under the seat in front of me. I don't like to have it open with just a snap closure. I want that zipper just because I don't want my little things falling out. Just makes it a little bit more secure for me. And then when you open it up, here is what it looks like on the inside. It's got some really pretty silky-like lining. It's kind of got a plasticky feel to it though. On the back wall, you have this Velcro, and you have this nice padding for a laptop, and it will fit up to a 15.6-inch laptop. And I've got my MacBook. It is one of the smaller size MacBooks, and I'll just show you how it fits in here. So you can see I still have plenty of room even when I put that in there, so it does fit some even bigger than mine. And then it's got that really nice Velcro to keep it nice and secure, but it's got that padded area back here. And then in front of that, you do have 2 mesh pockets. Then when you turn it around to the front wall, you do have a zipper pocket. I thought I would share with you what this tote bag looks like. So you can see there's a nice drop handle, and I have a sweater on, but even if you have like a larger jacket on, you're still gonna have enough room to fit over your shoulders. And it's got nice wide shoulder straps right here, so you don't have to worry about it falling off of your shoulder. And so you can see the size of this one. I'm a size medium, 5'5" for height reference, so you can kind of see how this looks on. and how it looks from the front. Now let's talk about this beautiful backpack. This one is so nice. This is different than any of the other ones that I've shown you, that I've traveled with. So this comes in 5 color combo options. I really liked the solid black with this brown trim. I thought it gave it a very expensive, rich look, even though this is just $38.99. Some of them are $45.99. It just depends on the color combination that you get. And then don't forget, if you click on that link, there is a huge discount as of right now. It's a great promo code. And if you click on that, you'll get even more savings for this. So the last tote that I showed you had a 20-liter capacity. This one has a 35-liter capacity, which is really great. So this also meets international carry-on requirements, even for Spirit and Frontier. And I know Spirit and Frontier has some very strict guidelines, but this does fit for a carry-on bag, and it will fit under the seat and in front of you just fine. Even if you do have it packed pretty full, it will fit under there. Now this, if you pack it full to its capacity, may be a little bit heavy on the back. It just depends on how much you do pack this, but it's got some really great padding, which I'll get to when we get around to the back. Some really nice ventilation and things, so it's not going to be real heavy feeling on your back because it's got all that padding and all that extra. But it does have a lot of capacity, so just keep that in mind because you will be carrying that on your back. So let's just get into some of the features. So we'll start here at the top, and then you've got this zipper. So this is in the black with that beautiful brown trim, which I really think it makes it look expensive with that vegan leather trim, but all your hardware is going to be gold in this one. So your zippers are gold and your zipper handles. So here is a really nice pocket that fits all the way down to the bottom. And then you also have this smaller zipper part if you like to just throw your phone somewhere where it's easy to get to, passports, things like that, driver's license, a wallet. That'll fit really easily in this front zipper pocket. And then you're going to have this zipper part right here. So you have these hooks. Let me just go ahead and get to these right here on the side. So you can hook them right here and make this a little bit more compact if you want to do that. Keep it a little bit more secure over the zipper. But then you have this top zipper that has a double zip. So in addition to those front two, you also have this one. And this has like a wet, dry compartment where you can keep things that are wet separate from anything else. So that's a neat feature on the front of that. And then right behind that, you have yet another zipper pocket that is double zipper as well. And it zips all the way around. That is one of the greatest features about this backpack, is that you can put clothes in here. So this actually does come as a 3-piece set. It does come with this shoe bag that has this little neat handle on here. Now it says it can fit up to 2 women's shoes. I wear a size 10, so I'm gonna put that to the test because my shoes are big. And then it also comes with this clear container in the front, has this nice handle, and it's this zipper around, and it's got double zippers. And this is also TSA approved. So this comes as a 3-piece set, which is really nice because you're getting these 3 bags. Sometimes these shoe bags can sell for $15 themselves. And you can see these toiletry bags sometimes are $10. So that's really nice to be able to get all 3 of these pieces. When you open this up, you have this zipper mesh area up at the top, and it does just come to this bottom area, but you can see whatever you're putting in this area. And then you've got another zip, and these zippers are really nice and smooth. You can see right here that you do have a strap where you can compress things in here and keep them all nice and secure. So I wanted to just fit like a pair of jeans and a sweater. Those were the 2 biggest things that I could think of. And then I put a pair of shoes in here and see how that's going to fit in here and how heavy it's going to make it. So I went ahead and grabbed a sweater because I thought that's the biggest thing that I have. And then a pair of jeans. And we're just going to put those on this one side. And then this did say that it could fit 2 women's shoes. But it could fit 2 of my sandals. But I'm putting this to the test because that's what we do, is we test this stuff out. And I'm like getting the biggest pair of sneakers that I have. So they do fit in there. And like I said, I'm a size 10, so I do have a bigger fit. And this fits in there. It's going to zip really nicely. And I could probably put some flip-flops in here as well. So I could fit 2, one big pair of shoes and then 1 pair of flip-flops. And then I'm just going to kind of put that to the side over here by the outfits. And we're going to see how this is going to close up. So then you've got your little straps. It's going to keep it nice and compressed. And so there you go. You've got 1 day's worth of clothes and a pair of shoes. And then that's going to zip all the way around. But before I zip this, I wanted to show you another great feature that's on the inside of this. So here on the side, you've got this. I'm hoping you're seeing this with the black. This is a charging port where you can put your cord for your phone. And then on the inside, right here, you have the end of this where you have your cords to charge into a power bank. And then right here is a sleeve that you can put your power bank. So I'm going to show you how that works. So this comes with a USB and a Type-C charging cable, which is great depending on what kind of power bank you have and what kind of phone you have. So for my power bank, I can use the USB, or I can use the C and do a lightning charge for mine. So this is great because I know a lot of bags in the past have just had that USB port, but this one also has the Type-C charging port, so I think that's great. It's going to accommodate all phones, all power banks, and things like that. So then I can take my power bank and just slide it in the sleeve right here and keep it secure so it's not going to fly around, get damaged by, getting jumbled around. It's going to stay in this sleeve. And you're going to attach your power bank to the bottom part, and then you're going to take your phone cord. Of course, I grabbed my longest cord I had. And then you're going to put it, and this is the Type-C, in this, and then you're going to be able to charge your phone. So I'm going to put it in the C, and then you're going to attach it to your phone. And of course, I'm not going to have this long cord. You can take this nice shorter cord that's got the USB on the end, and then you can put that one in there, attach it to your phone, and charge it that way. So I love this because it has the two options. So whichever kind of cable you've got, it's going to work for your phone. And then whatever kind of portable charger that you have, it's going to attach to that too. Now on this side, you do have a stretchy pocket for a water bottle if you want to put something on that side. If you want to carry it this way, you can do that. You've got this handle. It's got nice padding on that. If you want to carry it and grab the handle like a normal backpack, then you have the handle on the top. That's, again, nice and padded. So you've got that side handle and the top handle so you can carry it different ways. Or if you're wanting to put this in the overhead bin, it makes it really easy to just grab it from one side and the top and just throw it in the overhead bin. Then when you go around to the back, you have these D-rings. So if you want to attach anything to these, then you can do that. If you have like a hook that you want to attach anything from that. And then you have the chest strap. And then you have these really nice vented mesh padded straps. Really easy on the back. And then in the back, as you can see right here, you also have, let me just undo this chest strap to show you. This nice ventilation that's right here. Some reinforcement right here. So if you do pack it pretty full, you've got that nice reinforcement where it's not going to tug and tear right here at the backpack straps. And you also have a trolley strap. So not quite a sleeve, just a strap, but it does go over your handles. And even if you have this packed full, you can see how much this gives. So it's going to go over your suitcase handles very nicely. Then behind the handle, you have yet another compartment. Again, double zip. This is padded and a place for your laptop. So I have my laptop right here. And I will show you, this is that smaller MacBook, but this one will also fit a 15.6 inch laptop as well. So lots of compartments. This is a good one, you guys. So then I thought I would also share with you what the backpack looks like on, and I still have the set of clothes, the shoes, and the laptop in there, and it really doesn't feel that heavy. So you can see the side view of this one, and then you can see the back. So it is a little bit of a bigger backpack, but I don't feel like it's very heavy. Okay, guys, that was it for this review on the tote bag and the backpack from Bostanten. I think both of these are great options if you're looking for some travel in the upcoming year. These are two great options. So I do hope you enjoyed this review. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel videos when I travel as well. So I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.